Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where we stuck with you and we are always smiling. Right now we're heading to a concert, which is, what's his name again? Tyler the Creator?
Yeah. Governance Ball. Governance Ball.
You hear the music? Hey! Yeah, we're about to head out now. It's gonna be lit. And it's great weather today. It's freaking hot. Thank you, Lord. Yes, Lord!
If you're a real one, light it up, light it up. You're a real one, gon' light it up, light it up. It's your birthday, gon' light it up, light it up.
Alright, so we pretty much just got into Manhattan. We're gonna pick up one of Malachi's friends real quick. Yo, check this out, new drip. Yo, this is my new go-to vlog bag, let me tell you. Because sometimes, like, when you walk in with the camera in your pocket and your phone and all that crap, it don't make no sense. So, got this, happy with it. You can have my camera and all that, but anyway, we just here chilling in Manhattan for a second. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember like that video, you got Schmatty here. Schmatty is now almost like a Afro Rasta thing. I don't know what's happening here.
That's what I had.
And Malachi, of course Bonnie. I realized everybody got something on kind of yellow or gold or something. Yeah, yellow there, gold.
I never wear headbands, but I had a
Why
did? I never wear headbands.
I got them shoes.
Never.
I didn't think you could fit it.
Schmatty was just telling me about like watching that old video, and he was saying like it was so cringe because he was younger. He was like 2 years younger, and the things he was saying was crazy. So that's kind of one thing about vlogging. When you, it's almost like, you know, when you send them old text messages to someone, when you read them back, you're like, damn, did I talk like that? That's exactly how it feels. But anyway, we're gonna go to either Chipotle or Shake Shack. I don't like Chipotle. I'm a Shake Shack kind of guy. All right, so we pretty much got to Shake Shack, and Schmatty said. Shake Shack is measured in what business days? The wait time?
I said a Shake Shack line is measured in business days, but I guess y'all got expedited shipping because this line is hella short for a Shake.
I know.
I guarantee you, when it
For
is
this
the next
one,
2
for
years,
this one
it's gonna be waited out again.
This is that UPS stuff.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to say the dumbest stuff that I can say now, so that way when I'm like in college or
And you look back.
like, yo.
Crazy. Alright, so this is like my second time at Shake Shack. First time at this one, and the first time I had a burger here, yo, it was really, really good. Like, I'm not telling a lie, it was a really good burger. But there's a lot of people out here.
Your voice to the camera, man.
There's a lot of... Hey!
No, grab my so it doesn't fly away. Sorry. My wristbands.
So we just got banded up, but I never knew they had hot dogs there. Look at that.
First taste of blackberry.
Like, I knew it wasn't gonna work, but like.
Yeah, I wouldn't even.
Yo, look at that. So we got the burger and stuff, and the shakes. What did you get?
It's
Actually, really.
vagina juice 2.0.
Oh my god.
More than you need. Like, you ask for a medium, and they'll give you like an extra
large.
extra large for no reason. Like, what they do is they make like a batch of fries. They take the amount of cook in the cup, and the rest they just dump it in the bag.
Yeah.
You can tell the fries is good. You can ask this guy down here. Because he's mopping it up. Really good fries.
Yo, pigeons.
Burger's really good.
I don't know what's happening with
Not
pigeons.
overdone. Juicy. Crispy. Milky. Bruh. Yeah, that's New York for you, man. Like, there's always construction. Like, the city's always under development. But anyway, we had Shake Shack. Shake Shack was great as always. My stomach is full. Just stopped by McDonald's to use the bathroom, and I'm telling you, whoever took that place, like, they don't know how to shoot. Like, it was like everywhere. Crazy. Alright, so just a quick update. We're just walking and talking. We were going to take an Uber, but instead of doing that, we're just going to walk because it's a really nice day out today in New York. It's like 27 degrees Celsius or something like that. And yeah, we're going to walk towards the ferry so we can take the ferry to get over. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, there's something about the city that I like. There are so many different things, especially like the ethnicities. Like just now, I saw this person pushing a baby. The baby was white, but then it was a black person pushing the baby. I was like, yo, you can see, like, there's a lot about the city that you can learn. Like, it's crazy.
Stop recording stuff, man. Weird.
All right, I'm done.
Did you say it on the camera?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there.
You have to. I'm recording. That's so weird. I'm bringing it back to me.
Always recording stuff. Like, who asked you? Who asked you?
All right, so can I record now? Can I record?
All right, so we're close to the ferry right now. It's really super loud. Why is there helicopters like? Is it like the normal?
34th Street helicopter.
Oh, okay, cool. So, Rose! Don't leave me, Rose! Put me on that door! Yeah, so we're on the ferry right now. It's my very first time being on a ferry, so that's kind of dope. I've been on a raft though. You guys didn't see that? Yeah, so we're on the ferry. Has it left yet? No? But it's dope, yo. It's a cool experience, no lie. Right? Taking this boat to the concert. Say something awkward for the next 2 years. We can remember you. That's what you, oh, never mind. Say, all right, so we moving. This is great.
I just take a bus from Brooklyn. I'm glad.
This is better. It's way better.
I told my mom. She was like, what the hell, get it? I was like, you're way slow.
I thought the ferry's gonna be slow, guys, but I was wrong. It's pretty quick.
I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. And I might have done it.
Alright, so we got into the governor's ball and it's crazy, yo. It's gonna be a very good day, I hope. There are several stages here that I heard, so like we gotta find a stage of the person we want to see. I want to see Lil Wayne for sure, and of course Tyler the Creator. Yeah, let's do it.
Look at this. ¿Cuántas palabras tenemos aquí? I got this little song. Yo tengo esta canción.
Honestly,
Like legit, like I had to turn back. Nope. Nope. I ain't take no, brother. Yo, days like those, I miss my Crocs. Alright, so we got the schedule. Definitely want to see Lil Wayne and Tyler the Creator. The internet? Oh, it's fire. Cool.
Before I hit the grace, Louis V don't stay.
is this the girl that was in that?
I wanna make $1 billion, bring it to my pop, say, Daddy, what you paying? What is that?
Alright, so we getting the governor's ball punch. Yo.
Those are the things I want him to experience.
Alright. We're about to get lit for the older grown folks.
My shirt.
Alright, so we're making a trek across to the next stage. That girl Reyes, she was pretty good. She got a nice attitude. And yeah, we're going over to the Gov Ball to see the internet. That's her name, right?
Yeah.
Yep, let's do it.
Acting like I know the song. I'm dancing to a song I don't know.
that fucked up. Imagine they're up here, and when I give you the cue, you're gonna scream, "You fuck."
Alright, so that showing out is pretty much done. Just having some beers now and just walking around, just checking out all the sites, like, you know, what's merch they got and stuff like that. Yo, so far it's been pretty cool. It's a really good experience, minus the mud. Alright, so we just took a spot on the hill. Let me say it's an experience. Like, I'm enjoying it. Like, even though most of the acts I don't know, like, there's a big crowd, but the crowd is moving like really well. Like, it's not like chaotic. You can get like a beer easier, get water and all that jazz. Now Bonnie's throwing a blanket and stuff. I'm telling you, man, were you in the Boy Scout or Girl Scout?
For real, I got the Coleman blanket, camping ready. About to chill on this blanket.
Dope.
All right, we back in Mexico, papi and mami. We got some carnitas. We about to go lit, huh? Yeah, ¿qué pasa? Back in Mexico, how was your tacos, huh? Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Like we're here, we're waiting for Lil Wayne to come out.
For the best
It's gonna be
rapper
dope,
alive.
bro.
Let me get a
He definitely fucked up.
Let's get it, baby.
My name is Tony.
My motherfucking bed. I pointed at you and said that motherfucker dead. I'm fucking a good. She got a leg on my neck. I can put her mouth and for the hips you were correct. When I was a real feeling, he called a collect. AK on my nightstand, right next to that Bible. The figure shot, I shoot out with 5-0. The food fast, no Weight Watchers, no lipo. 2 shit walks in the motherfucking typo, and I make that pussy tap out. I knock that pussy out cold. The tap out. The dice roll. The shoes fight. They all like on that dick and stay on all night like poor slacks. They do it. Fuck talking. We out here. We ballin'. I'm spraying at these rusty niggas like WD-40. We fucked up. We chucked up. No niggas. There's no butt fucks. Get niggas behind your back like nunchucks, and that's fucked up. But my hoes down, my cups up, my song. fresh, the wicked fresh. Fresh.
What you tell a DJ?
And that's my DJ. Go DJ, and that's my DJ. Go DJ, and that's my DJ. Go DJ, and that's my. Oh, yeah, boy. So what I do? So I let it go. Lollipop, like a lollipop. Like a So if you know the sound, help me sing the sound. When I get up,
Yo, you guys can probably barely see us, but like legit, we were back on the hill, and there were just like tons of people. Yo, it's a vibe out here. Let me tell you that, man. For me, I think this is like my first experience ever experiencing something like this. So, yo, if it's your first time too, thank you for experiencing it with me. Remember to hit that subscribe button and that like button, cause that's how we grow this channel. Yep. What you say, Bonnie? Did you get the care package to them?
I know. I know. I tried. I'm trying to send the brethren some water.
No luck?
No luck. To send the security guard in.
They ain't gonna get it.
I low-key shed like a positive tear when he did Earthquake. When he did Earthquake, I was just like, he was low-key about to cry. Oh man, I got to see Tyler play.
It was dope. All right, he's mad excited. He said he low-key shed a tear.
I have ordered. Smells like Teen Spirit on this boat right here.
Yeah, because we're in the lower part, so it smells fun. Everybody all wet and stuff, but yeah, we're heading over back. We're heading back over to Manhattan.
It's like old school funk, and then Fishbone is like black punk rock, funk kind of stuff.
So we just walking here, talking about concerts. Like, no lie, those two concerts that I went to, they were different. Like, I never experienced anything like that before, but they were like really fulfilling. Like, yeah, it just goes to show you, like, at any stage of life, there's always something new, like you've never done before, you know? But anyway, we're walking a couple more blocks, and then it's bedtime. All right, so we hungry as hell and tired as hell, but we got this. That New York slice, baby.
Dollar slice joint.
Dollar slice joint. All right. Yep. Just get it. So you saying you looked Tyler in the eye and he looked back at you?
Bro, okay. I've seen Tyler, the Creator, in New York City multiple times, and he's looked. Me and him have like looked in each other's fucking soul, bro. I know him, bro. I swear to God, I've seen him in the city mad times, right? And then I come here to just see him perform because I need to. I feel like it's destiny, bro. I get to the front of the concert of the crowd, and he looks at me, and I look at him, and we connected, and then we sang the same songs, bro.